It's easy to customize shading scenes in your Crestron smart home. First, click the Crestron Pyng app to get started. Let's create a shading scene and then customize it. From the home page, either press the Shades button or go to the main menu by pressing the double line in the bottom left corner. Under Devices, press Shades. Now we choose the room for which we want to either create a scene or customize an existing one. Right now, I'm in the kitchen, but I can choose a different room from the drop-down list in the top left corner. For this example, let's choose Kitchen. You can see there are two shades in the kitchen, and they're set to All Close. On the right are the names of the existing scenes. Right now, we only have two, All Close and All Open. Let's say we want to create a new shading scene. First, press the Add Edit Scenes button in the bottom right corner. If a password has been set up for you, enter it now and press OK. Now we see a list of current scenes. Pressing the triangle play button will recall the scene. The pencil will edit the scene, and pressing the trash can will delete the scene. In this example, we want to create a new scene. I press the New Scene button at the bottom and enter a name. Let's call it Breakfast because I want to adjust the shades to block out the morning light at breakfast time. For this example, the sun rises in the east, so I want the shade to be closed about halfway. Now, I simply press the Raise button to adjust to my desired setting. Keep in mind, this is all happening in real time, so you should be in the room and watch the shade as you do this. The backyard shade faces west, so the sun isn't an issue in the morning, but I like to look out and see the beautiful trees and flowers. So let's open the backyard shades to 100%. Now that I'm standing in the kitchen, I think I want the shade to be a little higher. Okay, looks good. Press Save and I have a new scene. You can go back in and edit the scene anytime, add a new one, or delete scenes. Now let's press the back arrow in the bottom right corner to step back to the kitchen scenes. And there you go. On the right side, you can see our new scene.